Hi, this is Srinivas. Today we are going to discuss about circle and its parts. Circle, a set of points in a plane that are a given distance from a given point. So here A is the point and these are all a set of points. If you join all this, a circle will be formed. Next we will see parts of a circle. First one is center. Center of a circle. P is known as center of the circle. Second one is radius. So radius means any line segment joining center and other point on the circle. If you join, you will get the radius. So here PQ is the radius. You can draw infinite number of radius for a given circle. Next part is diameter. Diameter is a line segment joining any two points on the circle and passing through the center. These are called diameter. So AB is the 2 points on the circle and P is the center of the circle. So since AB is passing through the center P, that's why it is called as diameter. So in a circle we can also draw the infinite number of diameters. Next part is chord. So a chord is a line segment which joins any 2 points on the circle. So here we have taken 2 points, R is 1, S is 1 point. When you join these 2 points, RS, this line segment is called chord. Next one is sector. So sector is the formation of 2 radius and including arc. This TR is called as arc. So TSR is known as sector. Now we'll move to another part, that is segment. This is a part of a circle. Segment will be formed by drawing a chord. Previously we said chord means joining any 2 points on the circle. So this chord will divide any circle into 2 parts. There are 2 possibilities. One may be bigger part, one other may be smaller part, as shown in these 2 figures. So here this is showing the small part comparing this whole part. Here it is making bigger part comparing to whole part. So if it is small part, we will call it as minor segment. If it is bigger part, we will call it as major segment. So there is another special case, that is if this chord will divide the circle into 2 equal parts. See here. So this is a circle. So we have drawn the chord passing through middle of, means that is center of the circle. So this chord will divide the circle into 2 equal parts. The upper part and lower part both will become equal. In this case, each part is called as semicircle. Each part is called as semicircle. So these are the different parts we have learned. So let us have a glance. So these are the parts we have discussed: center, radius, diameter, chord, sector, segment. In this segment we have 2 types: major segment, minor segment. So which is bigger part is called major, smaller part is called as minor. And special case, this is semicircle, means half of the circle. Whenever this chord will draw half of the circle. So these are the circle and its various parts. Thank you, students.